Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in today's video you're going to learn how to use a photo background on TikTok. And if you stay through towards the end, I'll show you how to use a video background as well. So open up TikTok, go down to the bottom center of the screen and click on that plus sign. That's going to bring you to your camera, where you want to go down to the bottom left hand corner of the screen and click on Effects. Now everybody's effects tab looks different based on where you live and what device that you're using. You're looking for green screen. Once you find it, click on the green screen tab, and that will bring up all the icons that use effects underneath the green screen tab. What you're looking for is this one right here. It's got a picture with a sun and a green hill and a white arrow pointing down. If it's your first time using it, you will have to download it. I've already downloaded it. And it says change the background by uploading your image. It gives you a few right here. If you want to upload one, just press plus. That will bring you to your camera roll, where you want to scroll and pick one that is okay with YouTube's terms of service. We'll just use my Instagram phone thing. And boom, there you go. You can adjust yourself by pinching and zooming, and you can put it in the corner or something like that. You can put it up here. You can make it really, really big, which is kind of cool. Whoa, it's totally fun. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then you just go through and you can start filming. Now I'm gonna back out, press the X right here. If you want to use a video background, just go ahead and click on the plus sign. Go back down to Effects, go to Green Screen, and then right next to it you can see there is a picture with a play button on it that has a sun with a white arrow pointing up. First time using it, got to download. And then press the plus sign to add your video. I'll just choose this one at random right here, and then click Next. Takes a few seconds to process. When it's done, you can see there you are one more time. Now this one's a little bit different. It doesn't look like you can pinch and zoom yourself over the video, so I got to kind of angle it. It's really weird, but you can use any video that you want. I'm gonna back out. I hope this video helped you on how to use a photo background on TikTok and a video background. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here to learn more cool stuff with TikTok. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.